Guys, this video is going to be a brief tutorial on how to use the new HTML Energy Skate Park to learn about potential and kinetic energy and about the law of conservation of energy. Okay, so here is the newest version of Energy Skate Park. It's called Energy Skate Park Basics. It's HTML, so that's really useful for teachers because it can be used on any device. Kids don't have to download Java or anything. So first thing you need to do is to either click play or push download. I just click play. I have my students start in intro. And the first thing I have them do is to put in a grid so we can see how many meters off the ground the skater is. And I also ask them to turn on the bar graph. And then I have them go through a series of activities where they're looking at how, when they change the height of the skater, how does that affect the potential energy and the total energy? And also they can vary the mass by making the skater heavier and see what does that do to the total energy as well. There are other factors that you can play with here. There is a speed dial, which will help students understand the relationship between like what's impacting the kinetic energy of the skater. There's also a pie chart, which is good in kind of showing like, look, another representation of like that the potential and the kinetic really does equal the same amount of energy. And that's why it is a pie. So it's 100% of the energy is being illustrated here. After kids have explored this area, I typically have students go to the friction, still put in the grid and the bar graph, and now they can adjust the amount of friction that is present and see how that affects the motion of the skater. So teachers, I have an activity that you can use this animation with in the description of the video. I hope this helps you to understand how to use this newest version of Energy Skate Park that is in HTML. So great for whatever kind of device, doesn't require kids to download. Okay, have a great day and see you next time.